Even if you have the 1 terabyte Xbox Series S, there's gonna come a time when you're gonna wanna expand that storage. And there are several ways to do this. The first one I'm gonna recommend here, and it's the best one to do, is get yourself some external storage, especially for those games that don't take advantage of the fast SSD that's inside the Xbox Series S or X. They're so cheap now, and I'll put some recommendations below. You can get 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte sizes of these, and it just makes it a lot easier to dump those games that don't take advantage of that extra storage and just play it off of those external drives. Trust me, you're gonna save a lot of storage. Reserve that for your Series X and Series S games that really will take advantage of that SSD. Another way to expand storage is with one of these. A storage expansion card. These things are really cool. They're very simple. They're plug and play. All you gotta do is plug it right in the back of your Xbox Series S or X, because this works on the X as well too. And boom, you have expanded to super fast storage. And I really recommend these for those that are using a lot of games that are taking advantage of the SSD. Series X and Series S enhanced games, or games that are specifically designed for that from the ground up. This is where you want to take advantage of that if you're playing a lot of games that way. And these have come down in price actually a little bit as well. I think right now you can even get one, I believe, from Western Digital. Right now it's on a deal for about 80 bucks or so for 512 gigabytes. Not too bad. They typically come in 512, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabytes. So I would definitely recommend this, like I said, if you're using a lot of those enhanced games. Now, believe it or not, there is a third option for expanding storage, and that's actually cleaning up storage. So if you go into any of the games that you're playing, and if you go into manage games and add-ons, you'll actually see within there that you can actually choose specific parts of the game that you may want to have installed, or may you want to uninstall it. Let's say you're playing Halo multiplayer, but you're not playing the story mode anymore, and you can uninstall the story mode and but keep multiplayer right on there and save some storage. This also can work as well too when you're starting off just downloading the game. You can actually pick specifically which parts of the games you want to download, so you don't have to download everything to it, and save storage that way as well too. So you have several ways you can go about doing this, just like a lot of these tips and tricks that I have over here about Xbox Series X and S that you definitely want to check out. So head over there and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.